Several decades back in 1962, a chance discussion took place in this very room between Nana Saheb, Tai's father, and Sonu Singh Anna Patil, who was a very close family friend. The discussion was about initiating Tai in politics, but the first step was basically planning that she would address Kshatriya Mahasabha in Charlesgaon, much to the resentment of Tai because she was not very keen then. And to quote Nana Saheb, in those days he said here in this room that I must fortify and strengthen her wings so that Pratibha would fly high, unquote. And fly she did. The naive and inexperienced Pratibha, who always led a very sheltered life, was unconsciously getting geared for rigors of politics. Had it not been for her father, she would not have realized she was made for things bigger.
There was a lot of reluctance on your part.
Yes.
In fact, you flatly refused.
Yes.
And then they persuaded you. Your family again persuaded you. Then when you said yes, you thought, okay, let me say yes. I might not even get a ticket.
That's true. The tickets were declared, my name was there.
You expected?
No, I didn't expect. But then you see, I got the ticket. So I didn't know what I did. I was not able to guess what is in his mind.
But you never wanted it also.
In my mind, yes. I would not have felt sorry if they had denied the ticket.
Now you realize there's no going back. There's no looking back.
Now let me be prepared for that. And then I was fully prepared for that. Then you see, I came out with flying colors in the elections.
During the process of electioneering, you actually made a very concerted effort to reach to the ground, basically touch and reach out. And as and when that had happened, ma'am, did you actually realize that this is going to convert into a big win? Or you were not really bothered about the results?
No, I thought I will win.
Okay.
Because the response I used to get, particularly for the women, I said, they used to talk to me. And then you see, I thought, yes, I may win. Not should, I would.
And then here was one moment which shaped the future course of Pratibha Patil's long political journey. Her first acid test, made an address at Jalgaon, and the thrust never shifted from masses.